my sunflower garden. Sunflower seeds are a safe and healthy food to leave out for the birds in your garden to eat. Sunflower seeds are filled with all the nutrients and fats. Sunflower seeds have all the good fats that will help the birds to regulate their body temperature, especially as the months get colder. Sunflower seeds proteins are useful when birds need to keep their strength up, especially if they are nesting. So we are farming sunflowers in our garden for feeding the birds. Birds like to eat early in the morning, so make sure your bird feeders should be full at dawn. Store the bird feeds in the closed metal containers. A dirty feeder can become clogged and can spread diseases, so clean the feeders every day. Always give clean drinking water. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Journey Details.